going on, everybody? Welcome back to another motor vlog. Today I'm going to be doing some trail riding with my friends. Got a bunch of friends here behind me. We got Udi, MX Udi on YouTube on his KX250F. We got Cody on his CRF 250R, and we got my buddy Alan on his Honda CR 250 2-stroke. But as always, overall, it's just going to be a good fun day of riding. Jesus! I think I just fucking broke my knuckle, dude. God. Oh, God, that hurt. Oh! Yo! Are we gonna try the tires? Yeah, we'll try. Maybe?
Flashback.
Oh, shit! That was way easier than I thought it was going to be. Either I'm going to ride right over top of it or I'm going to go over the bars or something. Oh, I'm Enduro guy now. Let's hit these trail, boys. Oh, it's going to be overgrown back here. That Evo suspension's doing not too bad in here. Electron keeping this thing revved up real nice. Oh, tight. Makes me wish I had bark busters going through some of this. Oh, tight and rooted. Oh yeah, 150 handles the trails like a boss. Dang, they need to get back in here and chop some of this. Oh, moist. And I try to stay close enough to Udi, but without getting roosted because there's so much water and mud in most of these trails. Oh, it's slippery. Woo! When the trail's overgrown too, I feel like I can hardly see what's up ahead. Oh man, that's like a river. And then here, gotta make sure we curve up. Go over the log, yes! Did they make it? Woo!
Focus, dude.
That didn't look good. Stay still.
I'm fine. Relax. Are we all alive?
Yeah.
How you feeling? Did it ring your bell a little bit? Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine, fortunately.
Do some wheelie practice.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Let's see you. I'll try it. I know I'm not going to be able to do shit for a wheelie, but I'll give it a try. Oh, he's doing stand-ups instead. Okay. Oh! I actually had a decent one going there. Hey, that one was pretty good. This is honestly probably the most I've ever practiced wheelies in my entire life. Obviously, if you don't ever practice something, you're not going to be good at it. Nice! Not too shabby. I'm just too afraid to really put it to the balance point to do a good wheelie. I know all the people that can do a good wheelie will say you can't be afraid of tipping it over because that's the only way you're going to find the balance point. I just got to get over that fear. Oh, there was a little bit better one. Nice! Bunch of goons just trying to learn how to wheelie. Oh yeah, cool. Little off-camber section, I like it. Technical. I got like thorns in my fingers right now. This one looks fun. Couple roots. Yeah, we got a little buck on that one. Bunch of cool different options here for these hill climbs. Nothing too beefy, all just fun to practice on. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, Cody, following up. Woo. Second gear, Cody, you got it. Cruise standing up all the way up it. Yeah, piece of cake, dude. You gotta just stand cruise all the way up it, buddy. Yeah, piece of cake. Props. Props.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a swampland. Only got little sketchy. Woo! That rut's slippery and has a bunch of water in it, but it actually works really nicely for that corner. Dodge that little stump so we don't wreck into the tree again. Nope, he's going the wrong way. He thought he knew the right way. But I know for a fact this ain't it. Yep, we're gonna go right back to the same place we were. Oh! The trail is so thin, you gotta be so careful with your front end. It goes off the trail a little bit and you can lose it. You did good.
Think so?
You did good, yeah.
That was sketchy.
Just taking in the peaceful view. It's really windy right now, so there's a really nice, beautiful breeze hitting us. Every once in a while, you gotta stop and just enjoy moments like this. Very nice. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. We had so much fun out here today riding the trails. Had a couple spills, a couple crashes, but overall, we're all a-okay and had a really, really fun day. If you guys liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. It helps out the channel a lot. If you want to see more content from me, definitely go hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Peace.